Alright, here's the Street Fighter meal. All 3 burgers. Let's try them out. Take a look at Torichi Ken burger. And here's the Chunri mayo chicken burger. And lastly, we got the egg mani teriyaki burger with Tryout. Also got a drink. Doesn't have the Street Fighter insignia like it showed. I think they play around cups maybe. That's unfortunate. I want a limited edition cup. And then we got Shaka fries with consomme spice. And then we got the bag to shake it in. So, medium and weep. There you go. I'm gonna take a photo for the appeal. The order came out really fast actually. It took less than 5 minutes I think. I just didn't realize it was done already. So you can see that. There you go. Let's go ahead and take the video. Alright, I want to try out the drink because I'm so thirsty. This is actually the Enoshima location next to the surfing beach. I actually surfed this morning and I'm deadly tired. So let's get some sugar in me. Oh, it's definitely an energy drink. Very fizzy and tastes kind of sweet with like a Red Bull taste. It's hard to explain it, but it's like almost like candy. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and open the burgers and take a picture of them. This is about 2,000 yen for the entire 3 burger and 1 set meal. About 470 yen for each average for each burger. And so that'd be about $3 a burger. Pretty good price. Alright, we got some artwork here. Old-fashioned artwork. It's a little different for each one. Here's all the bosses. Pretty cool. And then we have one more, the review burger. Street burgers. I wish they gave a toy, but there was no toy. It was some other unrelated toys in the Happy Meal sets. 3 different other toys. There's that burger. Upside down, because it's so messy. And there's artwork for that. It looks like everyone's getting hurt in this one. Pretty cool. Alright, I'll take a picture of each of these. Maybe look.